gusto mo talaga
Speak
mag-breakfast.
fast and clear.
Sa susunod na buhay.
O kaya nga,
Pero
naging mangga
na naman ako. Gusto, bala mo pa naman maging stewardess.
Oh, paano ba yun?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Flight 237 bus service from Dubai to London. My name is Mango, and I will be one of your flight attendants today.
Pwede?
We are delighted to have you with us, and we hope you enjoy your flight. Before takeoff, please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray
Galing.
table is closed, and all carry-on items are properly stowed in a hovered bins or under the seat in front of you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please take a moment to read the safety information card.
Usay?
Pinag-iisipan ko na
O,
para
bakit?
parang hindi ko na kaya talaga
Hindi, kaya mo yan.
At parang hindi ko na kaya maging tao. O sa bagay nga naman, ang hirap pala mag-English. Oo,
Oh,
mangga
mangga
ka
na
na lang
lang ako.
kasi, pari.
Oh,
Mangga
hindi
na
ko
lang
kaya.
ako.